Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate an SSD in Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully running before you proceed with any changes to your storage configuration. Once your PC is ready, start by navigating to your Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click on it and a context menu will appear. From the list of options that appears, click on Disk Management. This will open the Disk Management window, which is where you can view and manage all the storage drives connected to your computer. Now, from here, you'll see all the drive volumes you have installed under your Windows 11 PC. Take a moment to look through the list and locate the unallocated drive. This specifically indicates that the drive hasn't been activated yet, which is most likely your new SSD. When you find it, right-click on it to bring up another menu. From this menu, select New Simple Volume. This action will launch the volume creation wizard window, which will guide you through the activation process step by step. The wizard will open and you'll see a welcome screen. Click on the next button to proceed with the activation. This is where you'll begin configuring your SSD so it can be used by your system. For the next step, you'll need to specify the volume size. Simply add in the volume size by typing in a numerical value in megabytes. Typically, you'll want to use the maximum disk space presented, which allows you to utilize the full capacity of your SSD. Once you've entered the value, click on Next again to continue. Now you'll need to assign a drive letter for your SSD. Click on the drop-down menu and select a letter that isn't already in use by another drive. This letter is how your system will identify the drive, making it easy to access through File Explorer. After you've chosen a letter, click on Next once more. For the next step, you'll configure the partition format. Under the File System drop-down menu, make sure to select NTFS. This is the standard file system for Windows and ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Once you've selected NTFS, click on Next to proceed to the final screen. You'll now be presented with a summary of all the selections you've made before activating your drive. Take a moment to review everything and make sure all the settings are configured correctly. If everything looks good, click on Finish. The system will now begin the formatting process. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your SSD, so be patient while it completes. After the formatting process is done, your drive will now be activated and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully activated your SSD in Windows 11 and 10. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.